Without a formal guide, there's always considerable debate on what should and should not be covered in a methods course and how it should be presented. Therefore, there is a variety of interpretation on what we need to include. We'll do our best to balance your time and attention with the vast amount of knowledge to be presented. There are countless interpretations and an ever-changing evolution of best practices in project management. We may cover material that may be considered good to know and may consciously choose to cover some content to a lesser degree than others would. We may also elect not to cover some content at all. We will attempt to cover everything on the Project Management Institute's suggested list of what an Agile practitioner is expected to know. After you complete all the courses of this Learn Smart Agile series, you should be well prepared to become a good Agile project manager, Agile coach, Scrum Master, or general Agile practitioner. To properly prepare you to become an Agile project manager and expand your existing knowledge of Agile project management best practices, we need to cover a lot of content. We could assume that you already have some experience or exposure to Agile project management, but we're going to err on the side of caution and explain things as simply as possible and not rush over something based on the assumption that you already know it. We feel it's safer to ensure that everything you need to know is defined and explained where appropriate, even if it is likely you already are knowledgeable on that content. It's better to hear it again and reconfirm your understanding than to skim over it and not learn at all. Your learning journey on the way to Agile competency crosses many interconnected topics. There are many options to conquer these topics. No path is perfect. And how do you best sort a random collection of Legos into those from sets and those that are just individual pieces? That is similar to the information you'll be introduced to about Agile management. Then once you've learned concrete concepts, we'll throw theoretical concepts in, which will make things even more complicated. We've sorted the content coverage partially on Agile's arrangement of domains according to the Project Management Institute. The courses are loosely based on the domains of Agile principles and mindset, value-driven delivery, stakeholder engagement, boosting team performance practices, adaptive planning, problem detection and resolution, and continuous improvement. The concepts, terms, and the multitude of tools and techniques available may transcend these domains. Since the courses can stand on their own, we don't make assumptions about your prior exposure to terms and concepts in other courses. Expect techniques or terms to be repeated because it is relevant in both areas. Beyond the 7 domains, we will also present these other topics, such as the background and emergence of Agile project management, the involvement of the Project Management Institute, a general overview of what Agile project management is and is not, as well as its application in various industries, a comparison between traditional project management and Agile project management, the Agile Manifesto and its 12 principles, the common Agile methodologies, the common Agile tools and techniques, and PMI's professional code of ethics and professional conduct. As you see, there is a lot to learn and a lot of opportunities for you to grow. Your erudition, along with your experience, is a formula for success.